Are you looking for an internship but don't know where to start? Recruiting for internships can be a daunting process, especially when there are so many other applicants vying for the same position. But with the right strategy and preparation, you can make yourself stand out and increase your chances of landing that perfect internship. In this video, we will discuss tips and tricks on how to ace the internship recruitment process and get the job. Applying for internships. The process of applying for an internship can be intimidating, but with a little bit of preparation and research, it's possible to make the process easier and more successful. To start, it's important to research potential employers and make sure the internship opportunity aligns with your interests and goals. Once you have a list of potential employers, the next step is to create a resume and cover letter tailored to each organization. It's important to tailor your resume to the specific requirements of each organization, emphasizing the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job. Additionally, your cover letter should highlight why you are the ideal candidate for the job. Once you have submitted your application, it's important to follow up with employers to show that you are enthusiastic and interested in the position. This could mean sending a quick email or making a phone call to check in on the status of your application. Following up is a great way to demonstrate your dedication and shows employers that you are willing to put in the extra effort to get the job. Overall, applying for an internship requires patience and persistence. It's important to take the time to research potential employers, tailor your application materials, and follow up on applications. By doing so, you will be well on your way to getting the perfect internship. The interview process. The interview process for an internship is typically more streamlined than what is expected for a full-time job. However, the same preparation and thought should be put into the interview, as it is your chance to make a good impression and demonstrate your skills. Before the interview, take some time to research the company and its mission, as well as the position you are interviewing for. This way, you can tailor your answers to fit the role and show why you are the perfect fit. You should also prepare a few questions to ask the interviewer about the role and the company. On the day of the interview, arrive early and dressed in professional attire. During the interview, make sure to answer all questions thoroughly, using examples from your experiences to demonstrate why you would be a great fit. Be sure to showcase your enthusiasm for the job, and take notes during the conversation if needed. If you are asked to provide references, make sure you have contacted them in advance. This way, they will be able to provide detailed information about your qualifications, skills, and experience. The interview process is an important part of landing an internship. By preparing ahead of time and following up after the meeting, you can demonstrate that you are a serious candidate who is committed to excelling in the role. What to expect during your internship? Internships are an important part of the professional world, allowing students and recent graduates to gain valuable experience and training. Before starting your internship, it's important to know what to expect. First, it's important to understand that internships vary greatly in length and requirements. While some internships may last only a few weeks or months, others can span an entire school year or longer. Additionally, some internships are paid while others are unpaid. It's important to have a clear understanding of the specific responsibilities and time commitment of your particular internship. Once you know the parameters of your internship, it's important to start getting familiar with the company culture. Research the company you are interning for and learn as much as you can about their business model, core values, and mission statement. This will help you understand how the company works and ensure that you're a good fit for the role. In addition to researching the company, it's also important to think about what you want to get out of your internship. Consider what skills and experiences you want to gain, and make sure to ask for feedback and advice from your supervisor. Don't be afraid to ask questions and take initiative. Showing that you're eager to learn and grow will help you stand out from other interns. During your internship, expect to be assigned tasks that challenge you and help you grow professionally. Depending on the type of internship, you may be asked to complete research projects, take notes at meetings, or help with daily operations. Above all, Be sure to maintain a positive attitude and remain focused on learning as much as possible. Internships can provide invaluable experience and can open up doors for future opportunities. By understanding what to expect during your internship, you can set yourself up for success and make sure you get the most out of your experience. How to stand out as an intern. If you want to stand out among other applicants when applying for an internship, there are several things you can do. First and foremost, make sure that you have a strong resume. Your resume should include a detailed list of the skills you possess and the experiences that have helped shape you into the professional you are today. Highlight any extracurricular activities or volunteer opportunities you have taken part in, and don't forget to list awards or accolades that you have received. Additionally, make sure you are prepared for the interview process. Spend time researching the company you are interviewing with and come up with a list of questions that showcase your interest in the position. Rehearse potential answers to commonly asked questions, practice your body language, and ensure that your dress is appropriate for the interview. Finally, take initiative. Throughout your internship, be proactive in finding ways to learn and contribute. Seek out additional tasks or projects, don't be afraid to ask questions, and offer to help wherever possible. This will demonstrate your commitment to the organization and give you a competitive edge when it comes to getting hired on for full-time roles. The benefits of interning. Internships offer an invaluable opportunity for students to gain real-world experience, network with professionals in their field, and get a taste of the industry they're interested in. The advantages of interning can range from providing helpful career guidance to connecting you with potential employers or future job opportunities. For many, an internship can be the first step in gaining experience in the professional world, teaching them how to navigate the workplace, and giving them the confidence to pursue their dream job. Interns can learn important skills such as communication, problem-solving, teamwork, and leadership that will prove useful in their future career. It also allows them to develop and build upon existing knowledge and expertise. Another benefit of interning is that it can provide access to higher-paying jobs after graduating from college. Employers often look at internships as a sign of commitment and willingness to work hard, which makes the applicant more attractive to potential employers. Additionally, having an internship on your resume indicates that you have real-world experience and have acquired valuable skills during your time as an intern. Finally, internships can be a great way to make connections in the industry. Working closely with experienced professionals gives interns access to valuable advice and mentorship. These relationships can often lead to future job opportunities and even partnerships that can help boost their career prospects. In conclusion, internships offer tremendous benefits to those looking to gain professional experience and jumpstart their career. With the right attitude and determination, interning can be a great way to get ahead in the industry and increase one's chances of success. Summary: finding an internship can be a daunting task, but if you are prepared and knowledgeable of the recruitment process, you can stand out and get the job. Understanding what to expect during the interview process, as well as the various benefits internships offer, can help you maximize your chances of success. Doing your research, being well prepared, and demonstrating your value as an intern can all make a difference in how successful your internship recruitment is. With the right preparation and strategy, you can increase your chances of securing an internship and having a successful experience. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more awesome contents.